Have you ever had Salisbury steak with a rich onion and mushroom gravy? Let me tell you how easy it is to make this. Just mix onion, garlic, breadcrumbs, ground beef, egg, ketchup, crumbled bouillon cube, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and make 10 patties. Cook these patties 1 to 2 minutes on each side. They will not be cooked through at this point. Just remove them and set them on a plate and set them aside. In the same skillet, add onions and cook until they're translucent and starting to caramelize. Then add sliced mushrooms and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Make a roux by adding butter and flour. You stir that together and cook it for 30 seconds. Then add beef stock, water, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. And then what you do is you put the ground beef patties back in the pan along with the juices and cook that in the gravy mixture for 6 to 7 minutes until the gravy gets nice and thickened and bubbly. And the patties will be cooking through at that point too. So that's it. You can enjoy this with, gosh, it's a nice comfort food. Enjoy it with mashed potatoes, put it over rice, put it over egg noodles, whatever your heart desires, or eat it plain. It's really good, or even on bread. If you have a homemade bread, it's good that way too. But you can get the recipe on both websites and check out the profile for the links to our websites. Enjoy.